Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and scroll down to find a wallpaper and personalization. As you can see right here, we can check the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, which we've got currently applied. And in order to find any other wallpapers, we have to tap on the library. And here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we've got the My Wallpapers, Gallery, which contains basically your photos, must-have wallpapers, super wallpapers, molten glass, so those which we can download. They are animated options. Here we've got some static wallpapers. We've got more system wallpapers, and if you feel that it is not enough for you, you can always tap on Find More, and if you have the internet connection, you will be transferred to the wallpapers, like online wallpapers from which you can choose. And as you can see, there are a lot of pretty options which can be set as your wallpaper, and basically all you have to do in order to check the preview is to tap on the particular wallpaper. And to be honest, there are too many beautiful options, so I cannot decide which I want to set. So let me pick maybe, I saw a flower somewhere here. Maybe this one, just tap on it. As you can see, after tapping, you will also be able to swipe from the left to the right, and you will be able to find some similar wallpapers from which you can choose under it, also the same situation. So to check it, how it will look like on the full screen, just tap on it. And as you can see, this is how the wallpaper will look like, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. So the all option, and I will pick this one, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, after getting back, and the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.